my next project. This area right here is kind of rough, and the parts that went in there are worn out. I gotta make some new ones. Plus, those gears are kind of nasty on the end, so I gotta grind all of those up so this part will slide on. Fun. Getting ready to start the next job. Bushing is shot. Goes in there. And this shaft. That's what the bushing goes on. What they brought me is this bushing. Too big on the outside, won't fit in the hole, but it does fit on the shaft. So I've got to get the outside of it turned down to the right diameter. But to grab onto it and then turn it is a problem. So the first thing I'm going to do is take a piece of round stock, turn it down so it fits real tight on that. And put that on there and turn the outside down so it fits nice and snug in that hole. What a way to do it. I got the bushing on my turned down piece, ready to take the first cut. So I cut my piece off that I used to turn the outside of this, and I'm going to use it to press it into the part where it goes. I don't want it to be too tight, so I'll space it with those washers. Start it straight. The gears have been ground. Don't ever grind the gears on a manual transmission. These cogs are all upset a little bit so they won't mesh. So I'm taking my die grinder and grinding off the burrs. One at a time all the way around until they're nice and smooth, so it'll come together again. Okay, this area got rough from the part that rides in there falling apart, wearing out, so I've got to try to smooth that up a little bit. So the last part of this job was to repair these busted pieces. Went in here in that slot to make this slide back and forth. So I made new pieces. Took a piece of 3/8 round and welded it into a piece of 1/2 by 3/4 sawed to 5/16 thick. purpose of that device, and it goes on here. That's a hydraulic cylinder that shifts that back and forth. There's the bushing that I made that goes on there. That area is nice and smooth, so that completes the job. Thank God for machining.